Hello everybody, this is Dr. Durant Ward with Healing You Wellness Boutique in East Atlanta Village. It's Thursday, feeling good, hope you're feeling good. Starting a new series called Herbal Knowledge. First herb we're going to focus on, Ashwagandha. I get lots and lots of questions about Ashwagandha. It's a nervine, a relaxing nervine, and it helps with stress, anxiety, depression, and exhaustion. Want you to use ashwagandha in the root form, not in the powder. Buy a little bit of it. What I want you to do, brew it in your favorite tea. So you're going to take 1 or 2 of your tea bags in a mason jar, put in a tablespoon of ashwagandha, let it steep for about 20 to 30 minutes, and enjoy. So you're creating your own stress, relaxation, tension relief blend. Until next time, see you guys later, and send me some love, send you some love, and take care.